Hi friends, this is a gingerbread pattern game. Now I want you to make sure that you do this when you're with your mom and dad so that the cutting is supervised a little bit by a big person, okay? But maybe you'll notice, well, look at the top row. There's peppermint that's red and white. You don't have to make it red and white. You can make it whatever color you want. And then a gingerbread. I made mine brown, but you can do whatever color you want. Then a peppermint, then a gingerbread, then a peppermint, gingerbread. So the next one would be a peppermint. Now at the bottom, there are some that we're going to cut out. What I'm going to do, you start where the scissor is. I'll show you that in just a minute. I'm going to cut it all the way across. There's a little scissor right there, and that's where you start cutting. So we're going to make some squares because we're going to add to our pattern. The first pattern is called an A-B pattern. The A part is the peppermint, and the B part is the gingerbread. So let's see. All right. Peppermint, gingerbread. Peppermint, gingerbread. Peppermint, gingerbread. What comes next? If you said peppermint, you are right. So you're going to cut the peppermint off and put that next. You might need a little glue. A glue stick would work great. And then next will be the gingerbread. Oops, I put it in the wrong one. Right there. Peppermint, and then we're going to put a gingerbread. So I'm going to cut a gingerbread, and he's going to go right here. Now I don't have my glue sticks, so I'm just going to hold them like that. Now the middle row has houses. Now I colored my gingerbread houses green, but you can color them whatever you want. Now this one is called an AABB pattern. The AA is gingerbread house, AA. Then gingerbread boy. So 2 houses, 2 boys. What's next? If you said house, you're right. And how many houses? Let's go back to the beginning. House, 2 houses. So now I'm going to cut so that I get 2 houses. And they're going to go next, right there. And then what's after the 2 houses? Well, it's 2 gingerbread boys. So I'm going to cut those out. And then, kind of hard to see, I'm going to try it this way. There it is. Then we have that whole pattern together. Now the bottom row is called an ABC pattern. A is peppermint. Peppermint, house, boy. Peppermint, house, boy. So the A part is the peppermint, the B part is the house, and the C part is the boy. A, B, C. Peppermint, house, boy. Peppermint, house, boy. What comes after the boy? If you look back here, you can see that the peppermint does. And then the house is next, and then the boy again. So you're going to cut those out. Here's a peppermint. We actually just have the peppermint and the boy because we ran out of space. When you're done, your whole paper will be full, and you will have used all the little squares at the bottom. Now remember not to cut these apart up at the top. Just cut the row at the bottom. And I think you'll have fun putting your patterns together. If you're confused, you could ask mom or dad or a big brother or sister, and they could help you do it. But I hope you have fun making patterns. Bye, friends.